In this video, you will learn how to set up a material for product classification. Log in as administrator and enter in the Setup menu. Tap on Application, then select Application, enable the manual target, and choose Classification. From the same application menu, go to Classification to set up the number of classes, visualization mode, alert colors, and motion check. Go back to the application menu, then Memory, choose Material Table, and tap on Add New Material. Enter the material name, TAR ID, if applies, and description. Go to Next Page and enable classification, then proceed entering the class's limit. Go back to the main screen to test your settings.